welcome to Rhythm and Resonance YouTube channel. Now in this channel, we are going to expose you to, learning skills with regards to musical instruments. Of course, we will focus right now, we are going to focus on piano and the bass guitar, right? But yeah, even if you are 2-year-old, child, of course, you'll be able to learn this skill very, very easily. Now, so in this course, we are going to show you how to play the piano from scratch. Now, you know what? If you enjoyed this video, please drop a comment. If you have a question, please drop it on the comments below. Let's know what question you have, and we'll be excited, to respond to your questions. Okay? So please make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video. Okay? So also ensure you watch to the end. Thank you.
All right, so we'll be learning or getting the names of the piano notes. Okay, now in music generally we make use of the first 7 letters of the alphabet, which are A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. That's the 7 of them. All right, now but the way the piano is arranged, they did not start from A. Okay, now they started from C. How? Now if you check the black keys of the piano, they are arranged in 2s and in 3s. Okay, it's just repetition. Once you do 2, you have 3, you have 2, you have 3. So no matter how long the piano is, you still have the same arrangements. Okay, now let's go to the keys. The white key before a set of 2 black keys is called key C. All right, now knowing that already, then the white key after a set of 2 black keys is called key E. Okay, now let's go after getting the names of the ones outside, then we'll now come back to know the white key between the black keys. Okay, so we've talked of C, we've talked of E, white key before, which is C, then white key after the 2 is E. Now we have a set of 3 black keys. Now there's always a white key before set of that 3 black keys. That white key before set of the 3 black keys is called key F. Now the white key after the 3 set of black keys is called key B. Now but do you notice you have 2 white keys between these 3 black keys? Then between the 2 you have a white key. Now this white key between the set of 2 black keys is called key D. Okay, now between the 3 black keys you have G and A. So back to where we started from. In music we make use of the first 7 letters of the alphabet. Now but the way the piano is arranged, they started from C. So we have C, D, E, F, G. And since we've gotten to G already, without mentioning A, B, and at the beginning we started with C. Okay, so you just simply put those 2 you didn't mention earlier, which are A, and back to B. Okay, so that's for the piano keys.